Here's the tube laser cutting machine B-axis calibration procedure. Tube loading and clamping. Movement. Utilize the handheld controller to move the chuck. Press the up key to move the chuck to the right. Press the down key to move the chuck to the left. Clamping/unclamping. Press K1 to tighten the tube. Press K2 to loosen the tube. Press K3 to clamp the tube using the laser head clamp. Press K4 to release the tube from the laser head clamp. Laser head positioning. Use the left and right keys on the handheld controller to move the laser head horizontally. Press Z down to move the laser head downwards. Press Fast and Z down simultaneously to accelerate the downward movement of the laser head. B-axis calibration check. Navigate to the control panel. Click on Tool and then Monitors. Select BCS 100 monitor. Observe the capacitance calibration smoothness and stability. Ensure these values indicate smooth and stable operation. Calibration completion. Once the capacitance calibration values appear smooth and stable, the B-axis calibration process is complete.